Hello, in this tutorial, let's go over the text-to-column wizard in Excel. This feature is very helpful. For example, if you get data from an external program, you might see the information all crammed up in one column, like in this example. So let's begin by selecting the first column by clicking on the header using the left button on your mouse. In this case, is the column A. Now go to the Data tab, and on the upper right-hand area of the tab, you will see the Text to Columns feature. Click once and the wizard will appear. The first question of the wizard asks if the data is separated by a delimiter, which could be a comma, tab, or a punctuation mark. We will leave it checked and click Next. In the second step, you will select what is separating the data from one another, which is a comma. Check it on the list. You also want to uncheck Treat consecutive delimiters as one. Look how the names get unorganized when I click on it. Now click Next. The third step asks you which data format do you want to import your list as. For example, you can say that all of the information needs to be imported as general, which is the default that we're using. Text or date are also other options. You also can select the header of any column individually and ask not to import it. For example, since we don't need the middle name, let's click on it once and check Do Not Import. Click Finish when ready. Once you click Finish, the data will be imported nice and neatly in Excel. But let me show you a different example. In this case, we have now commas and semicolons all over. So we will do this a little bit different. Let's go to the Data tab and select Text to Columns again. Let's go ahead and select delimiters on your first tab, since now we have a combination of commas and semicolons. Click Next. The good news is that many times, with just selecting the comma, Excel might be able to track the emails as a separate column, but this is not the case here. The data with semicolons was treated as a single row, so we need to fix that by also checking the semicolon option on the top as well. Now when you click on it, you want to scroll down in the preview panel and check that it all looks good. Click Next for the last step. On the third step, we will skip the middle name, the fifth and the seventh column by selecting their headers individually. Select Do Not Import, then go to the fifth column, click Skip again, and do the same with the column 7th. You can see the skip message on top of each header. Press Finish and let's check that the middle name and the other two columns were skipped. So far so good. Notice that the middle name or the other two columns are missing, so that's great. This can save you a lot of time from deleting manually the columns that you don't need after you import them. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel and keep making more free content for you. Thank you.